Every community has that one person, the neighborhood specialist, the one who knows where the best bakery hides, which trail leads to the secret lookout, and the street that's about to bloom with cherry blossoms. In the Comox Valley, that's me. But being a neighborhood specialist doesn't mean keeping things small. Too often, agents only market inside the valley. A flyer here, an open house there, a post in the local Facebook group. That's where most stop, but not me. Because the buyer for your home might not be next door. They might be in Alberta, Ontario, or halfway across Canada, dreaming of the ocean breezes, mountain views, and a slower, saner rhythm of life. That's why I take your home beyond the Comox Valley, through professional video, strategic online reach, and stories that make buyers fall in love with this coast before they've even seen it in person. Recently, my listings have reached thousands of buyers across the country, and it's that exposure that brings you results. In this market, local knowledge is just the foundation. You need a realtor who blends deep roots with modern reach. That's what I do. I take the valley you love and I share it with the world.